Hey, why are you guys sweating?
You got boob sweat.
You're dripping sweat. What's up, guys? Maniacs Garage, we're back. Now that the 62 has been coated with Poppy's patina, it's looking nice and shiny. We want to go for a cruise today. We want to take the 49 out, and we want to take the 62 out. But, got to do a little thing here first, Jim.
Yeah, just a little mod. So we're heating up fuel in the carburetor pretty extensively. You know, we got hot temps right now, 105, 110 in southern Arizona. This prevents heat transfer from the intake to the carburetor. So we're gonna do this real quick.
Real quick.
Yeah, real quick. Like everything else, real quick.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Fix the hood hinge. I'm gonna swap that.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea before we go for a nice little longer cruise.
Yeah.
Awesome, well let's get started. But before we do, I'm gonna fix your mirror problem on the passenger side right here. Wow, someone's getting on it out there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Good job. But look, if you guys are missing a mirror or something important on your car, you can always get some Maniac stickers, put it right over it. Look how beautiful that looks.
Yep.
I like it.
Hey boys, this hinge is broken. This is a hood hinge on the 62.
I know what it is.
You know what this is?
Yeah,
you also know that it's broken.
Yeah.
So, what do you guys think, dude? Super glue?
No, JB.
Epoxy?
No.
Duct tape?
No.
Duct tape.
Hose clamp.
Hose clamp?
Ooh.
Oh,
Dude,
yeah,
a piece
dude.
of metal and 2 hose clamps.
That would work.
That's it. Done.
What better activity to do when it's 95 or 96 degrees out than do some grinding and welding?
Feeling good about this? Always positive, you know? Always stay positive. This is what it looks like when a realtor welds your hood hinge. Do not do what we do here. I gotta hold this before it walks itself off the workbench. Disclaimer, strictly for entertainment purposes. If you can even call it that.
So once again, gotta run to the store. Gasket to prevent heat transfer. They send you some studs for it. They don't give you any nuts.
No nuts.
No nuts. So here I go to the store.
And it's a fine thread on top of that.
Yeah.
Let me get out of his way, dude.
I'm out.
That's quite the mask there, John. That's a little warm when it's 90 degrees in here.
Nice, Ryan's tightening up the hood hinges.
Yeah, man.
Lined up pretty good. One last quick little timing check. And we're gonna get on the road.
Hey, Ryan here with Maniacs Garage, here with Boxo Tools today. Loving these awesome moto boxes, man. You got a wrench with a tire spoon. Super cool stuff. Got your axle tools, metric sockets, metric Allens. You've got screwdrivers, a hammer. Got to have the tape measure for setting that sag, right? And you've got a great set of pliers, including safety wire pliers. Bottom, you got a full set of end wrenches. Got to check your tire pressure. They also offer this awesome 5-drawer option with a huge drawer on the bottom to put all your own stuff. Comes with a couple extra goodies like a spoke wrench and an optional T-handle wrench. Cool stuff. Go check them out at Boxo USA. Enter Maniacs at the checkout for a discount. Let's get back to our show.
Can't get out there looking dirty. Good, good, good. Just gonna go up and do some donuts up in the intersection up there by the clubhouse. Yeah, thank you. He's gonna call security up there. He's like, maybe they weren't joking. He's like, okay, go ahead.
On a side note, did Jim make it through the gate?
Yeah, he let them go through. We're gonna do tandem drift. Of course, we're just kidding, you guys. We're not condoning that kind of activity. We are not gonna do donuts in the intersection.
Jim, we're cruising the ManiArk, man.
Trying to. Having some issues.
Yeah, not bad though. We were able to stop and it started back up for us, so
So that's good.
that's a good sign. Oh, super cool, man. It's nice to be able to be out cruising.
Yeah, let's get out of that shop.
Yeah. We sure had a lot of fun out cruising in these cars today. It's great to be putting some miles on that 62. We hope you enjoyed watching it as well. If you did, leave us a thumbs up, please. Let us know what you thought about it in the comments, and if you want to see more of this type of content.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com. Check out the merch we have on there. Hats, t-shirts, decals, and more.